Good morning, guys. Welcome to Moneyline. We have 8 draws today, 16,000 odds. So let's get started. The first game we have today is in Brazil, where Calcia is taking on Babala. My prediction is full-time draw. The next game we have here is in Honduras, where CD Marathon San Pedro is taking on CD Victoria La Silva. My prediction is full-time draw. Okay, as you know, we have a tradition in this channel where we um, share where we are watching us from and also extend greetings to one another. So, good morning to you guys, and then do not forget to like this video. If you are new to this channel, follow and then subscribe to this channel so you won't miss all our predictions. I want to say congratulations to those people that played yesterday ice hockey. Moving on, we have a game in the Cyprus where Apollon Lamiso is taking on AEK Lanesia. My prediction is full-time draw. The next game we have is in Uganda where Viper FC is taking on Bright Star, and my prediction here is full-time draw. The next game we have here is a game in the Ethiopia Premier League where there Dawa Kemena is taking on Baricho Durham, and my prediction is full-time draw. We move on to Spanish Cup where Atletico Bilbao is taking on Atletico Madrid, and my prediction is full-time draw. The last game we have here is a game between Smart taking on Future in Egypt Premier League, and my prediction is full-time draw. That gives us a total of 8 matches, 16,000 odds. So bet responsibly. You can flex this game by 2 or 3. And even join our VIP and get top 3 draws for today. I'll leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section. Come to the WhatsApp and let's discuss the predictions for today. 3 draws is about 35 odds and the prices are 10,000 naira, 100 CDs, 2,000 sorry, 2,000 Kenyan shillings, and then 50,000 Ugandan shillings or $20 respectively. Okay, that is all I have for you guys today. And then remember to bet responsibly. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and also tag them in the comment section. Thank you and stay blessed. This is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. Let me try and see if I'll be able to convert this game to maybe bet and Bet Niger. Okay, let's go then. Okay, the first booking code will convert is Bet Global, so that everyone using Bet all over the world should be able to play this game. This is a Bet code. It might take long to load, so kindly be patient, or you can as well select them manually yourself. And another thing, we have a platform where we share only to us on daily basis. If you want to take your business in betting to the next level and increase your chance of winning, if you are interested in the two us, chat me up on WhatsApp. The subscription fee is very low. It's a monthly subscription. So let's talk on WhatsApp. Thank you. Okay, this game is not available on OneXBet, so you can go ahead and select them manually. Let's try Bet Niger here. If you are using one XBet, you have to select this game yourself manually. So these games are all available, but this app could not convert it. This is the BetNiger code for those people using BetNiger, so you can play this game with this code. Thank you so much. I will see you guys tomorrow or after the game. All right.